Hello everyone, what's up? It's your girl Jasmine here, and thank you so much for coming through to my channel today. I am going to be sharing with you some of my favorite makeup items that I've been loving for 2018. These are the products that have been in my starting lineup. Whenever I gotta beat this face, I use these products majority of the time. So I'm gonna be taking you step by step through my makeup routine and just showing you what I use in order of appearance, if that makes sense. So if you are very interested in that, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into anything, please subscribe to my channel because I make videos all the time, mainly on Sundays, but I'm gonna try and bring back my twice a week uploads. So definitely stay tuned for that and turn on your notifications. That way, whenever I post a video, you are going to be the very first to know. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I have my starting lineup here, and I'm just gonna go through it one by one for everyone. Oh, that rhymed. The first thing I use is a foundation. Now you're probably wondering, girl, what about your primer? Now I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I haven't been using primers lately. I know it's weird, right? But hear me out. I was watching a video from Stephanie Lang. She has oily skin, pores, just like me. So she mentioned that she doesn't use primers, and that helps to minimize the appearance of pores. Usually the primers that, you know, claim to minimize pores, they actually over exaggerate them. So I've been trying something different and just using my foundation without using a primer, and so far so good. That's why I don't have any primers in this lineup here. But let's move on to the first step, which is foundation. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. Now, I'm usually more of a matte girl, but I have been loving this because it just looks like skin. It's very hydrating. It's not matte like I like it, but I just feel like it just gives me an overall youthful appearance, and that's why I've just been using this. I can wear it for a no makeup look, or I can wear it to glam up and just be overly dramatic, and I've been absolutely loving this. This is in the color 4.3. I don't find it oxidizing at all, and as far as flashback, I don't really get any flashback with this at all. Sometimes I apply like 3 pumps on my face and then use a stippling brush to blend it all in. And this, I'm actually wearing the foundation on today. It's absolutely lovely. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. After foundation, I use concealer, and I have 2 concealers here. Now, this one is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the color Chestnut. This I use when I want a overly dramatic highlighted look. I'm talking drama, girl. I use this when I want that drama, okay? Now, if I wanted a more natural look like the one I'm wearing today, I will wear the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer, and this is in the color Deep. So this is when I want a more natural look. This is when I want a more glam look. And as you can see, the shades are a bit different. The Chestnut is a bit lighter and brighter, and this one is a bit more natural. And this is more hydrating than mattifying. This concealer kind of mattifies quite a bit, and I like this one because, you know, when I want that natural skin-like look, I'll pop this on. But I still love these both just the same, and I will definitely be repurchasing. Once I'm done applying concealer, I go in with my contour. I'm putting it in quotes because it's not really a contour, it's more of like a bronzy type thing, and this is the Flesh Stick. This is in Expresso. This is the darkest shade it comes in, and I just use it when I want to contour or bronze the hollows of my cheek, the perimeter of my face, and my nose just a little bit. And I like it. It's not too dark, but it's not the same color as my skin, so I'm able to add a bit more definition to my skin when I want that chiseled look. And I picked this up at Ulta. This is not sold at Sephora. just so you know. All right, my next favorite has been my NYX Control-Free Eyebrow Gel. I absolutely love this because one, it's affordable, and two, it actually does what it's supposed to do, which is hold your brows in place. And of course, I'm wearing it on today. I wear it pretty much whenever I do my brows, and I absolutely love this. This is running out for me, so I need to pick up some more, but I definitely will. And it's a clear gel. It's just a simple clear gel, but you know, it does what it needs to do. So I'm thoroughly pleased with this product. Highly recommend. Affordable, drugstore, cruelty-free. Matter of fact, all the makeup products that I use are cruelty-free and or vegan, just so you know. Next up, I want to talk about mascara. Now, I have tried a lot of mascara in my day, girl, but I gotta tell you, my number one, my go-to is this here Deck of Scarlet mascara. I got this in a Deck of Scarlet package. This was back when I was doing that sponsored video for them, and I actually fell in love with the mascara. Like, if you want lengthening, highly pigmented eyelashes, this will get you there. And it's just the perfect amount of mascara on here, and it has a pretty good tapered end to get into those inner lashes, you know what I'm talking about? So if you're looking for something that will help to lengthen, volumize, and just give you overall good looking lashes without the use of eyelash strips, I highly recommend this one. Moving on to eyes, I have really been loving these Pixie liquid shadows. I have quite a bit. They actually sent me a few in PR, and I have so much fun when I wear these. I have 3 of the colors here. I think I'm missing 2 more, but I just wanted to show you just the 3 that I really love. So this one I'm actually gonna swatch on my hand. This one is called Sunray. The next one is called Crystalline, which isn't as in your face. You see? You really gotta go in with the second one. But the gold and bronzy colors are super cute. This one is Bare Brilliance, and they're just absolutely divine. I just love just putting them all over the lid after I apply a transition color, of course, and it just gives you a festive look. And I think right now, since we're like around New Year's Eve and all the other like festive holidays around this time of year, I feel like glitter is always a good thing to wear for the holiday season. There you go. Okay, next products I want to talk about are lippies. Now, I love lip products. I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm just in love, and I can't just choose one lip product. So I have 3 favorites here that I want to share with you. They're a little different, and I just want to share with you what I like about them. So the first one is actually from 100% Pure. I did a video on these lippies back in January of this year, and I have come to love this particular lippy. This is in the color Cacti, and it is a gorgeous nude. I'm just going to swatch it for you, and I absolutely love this color on me. I think it is just so perfect for brown girls. A little bit of lip liner will just take you to that extra, you know what I'm saying? But I could wear this without lip liner too, just so you know. The next lip product is this here Fenty Beauty lipstick in Uncensored. This is a gorgeous red, and I've definitely got my money's worth with this, and I'm still going strong. This has lasted me a very long time. I don't remember when I got this lippy product, but it's still going strong. It is the gorgeous, perfect red color, perfect for any shade of brown, any skin tone out there. highly recommend. And this is definitely a conversation starter. Just look at the packaging. The last lippy I want to talk about is this here Pacifica lip gloss. This is in the color Halo, and I'm actually wearing it on my lips today. It is just a very thick gloss with lots of shimmery pigments in it, and I just love the way it makes my lips feel just extra glossy, extra shiny, and like well nourished. I really love this Pacifica gloss. Like, I've been using this as like a go-to whenever I run out of my chapstick. I always pack this in my bag whenever I'm going to school or wherever I'm going out, just in case my lips are feeling a bit dry. And this even works well when you're not wearing makeup too. It's just beautiful. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend. You can pick the Pacifica products up at Ulta. Last but not least is this here Crystal Power Hydro Mist from Pacifica, and I actually use this in lieu of a setting spray. So this just is my setting spray because I like right now, especially in the winter time, I like to have a glowy makeup look. The sun is not out as much and it's not as hot outside, so I feel like I can get away with a more hydrating makeup look. So I've been loving this to really hydrate and moisten my skin. And I also like it too because it has like a crystal in here. Like, it has bits of clear crystal quartz in here. It has a very light scent, nothing too strong for any of you guys who are very sensitive to smells. So I highly recommend that, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Oh, I have some more things I have to talk about. All right, so I totally went out of order, but I was just having such a good time with these eye and lip products. But girl, let me continue on. I got some palettes that I want to show you guys, just two. The first one is a highlighting palette, and this is from Bakerie. This is the Coffee and Cocoa palette, and I truly love all the colors in this palette, but I use this highlight non-stop. This is in the color You're Grounded. It's absolutely stunning for brown girls. This is the perfect highlight. It's super pigmented, and I'm telling you, a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm going to just put on my finger. You can't even really tell, but yo, absolutely stunning. I cannot say enough about this. Like, it's absolutely stunning. And so are the other colors. I just find that I'm more into You're Grounded. Yeah, these are the 4 colors in the Coffee and Cocoa palette, in case you wanted to see them swatched. I highly recommend it. This is a great investment, and it'll last you a very long time. This is a palette that has everything that you will possibly need, from a black eyeshadow color to burnt oranges, like fuchsias, glitters, greens. I absolutely love this, and like, if you want a good bang for your buck, I highly recommend this because this has pretty much all of the colors you'll want to wear. I mean, it has black, it has a brown, it has burnt oranges, pinks, glitters, bronzy colors, greens. I'm telling you, this is a good all-around palette. All right, so that is all for my 2018 makeup favorites. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. That way I know that these are the kinds of videos you want to see. I know I haven't been filming monthly favorite videos, but 1, I don't buy as many makeup products as I used to, and 2, I don't want to keep pumping out like products every month for you guys to like buy. So that is all for my makeup favorites of 2018. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what your makeup favorites were in the comment section down below, because I'm always willing to try new things, and I'm definitely looking forward to your feedback. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I do hair, beauty, and lifestyle type videos. So if you are into that, then definitely subscribe and turn on the notifications. That way, whenever I post a video, you are going to be the very first to know. That is all. I'm signing out. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.